Now just a quick note, as we've tested our design for responsiveness, what we've been doing is adjusting the size in the browser. Now this is a good general test, but it's not necessarily going to give us the exact dimensions of what a viewport would look like on a mobile device. For example, we can only get this so small at about 400 pixels. We can no longer reduce the size of the viewport. Now most modern smartphones are going to have a width of more than 400 pixels at this point, so we're testing for a good number of devices. But there are still devices that are smaller than that, and so we're not really testing for those right now. Now Chrome has this really nice tool. If you click on the phone looking icon down here, I'm going to just maximize the size of Chrome so we can fully see this. You can select a particular device, let's say an iPhone 4, and when we do that we get this warning that says we might need to reload the page. Let's try that. And if we want to get a little bit more space, we can reduce DevTools, or better yet, move it off to the side. And here you can get a sense of what the site's going to look like on that smaller viewport.